bee-eater burrows can extend for 2 meters into the soft river sand. Already home to 6,000 nests, real estate at bee-eater towers is in high demand. But it pays not to build too close to the neighbours. As more birds arrive, competition for the best nesting sites heats up. It's thirsty work. In the sudden commotion, they're vulnerable from below and above. The safest place to be is inside a burrow. With the colony in disarray, the predators have the advantage. But this year's dry season shows no sign of letting up, with devastating consequences. Hundreds of nests are wiped out.